Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share week 28. I think it's week 28 to hashtag Artisan Journal Prompt 2024, hosted by Pattie over at Life with Pattie. I'll have her link down below. She's the host of this open collaboration where she gives a prompt every Sunday, and we create whatever we want with that prompt. Okay. Um, you don't have to do it from the beginning. All she asks is that you do a journal page or an intro page and then start from where we're at. And this is week 28. So this week's prompt was Disney, or is Disney. Was Disney. I found my stamp. Um, um, and I looked everywhere for my stickers. I have some stickers of Disney, but I couldn't find it in this disaster of a room. But nonetheless, I created 2 pages. I did a 2-page spread. So proud of myself. Before I share it, let me just give a little intro, I guess. I kind of created like a layout, like a 2-page spread layout of just like a scrapbook page of a little kid. And so you're going to see things that are not perfectly lined up. They're kind of wonky. Even the stickers that I used, but it's to show what a little kid would do. And I purposely did it that way. Okay? Because to me, Disney means children and innocence and fun and no worries. And, that's what Disney means. And even though you're an adult, you're still a kid at heart. Disney will always be there. So let me share you my pages. So I went back into time, I swear. I did some chipboard alphabets. I put Mickey Mouse at the top, and then on the bottom I used, I think it's on this side, it's Walt Disney, and you can see the letters are wonky. I had some paper from my stash, and I don't even, let me see if I can do autofocus for you all. Here we go. So, something. Great. Um, so I used some old washi tape, and I don't even know how old this washi tape is, guys. But I'm just letting you know that this washi tape is ruined. It's not sticky anymore. Let me show you what I'm talking about. It's hard to get up or get it going. And then, okay, right now it's okay. And it's kind of sticky. Okay, of course I'm going to say that, and it's not going to, okay. See, now it's starting to come apart. And it is just so sad. So I'm going to tell you guys, you need to use this stuff up. At least, with these, you can, put some glue on it and it'll still be okay. But that's bad right there. That's really bad. And it's sad because I've had this forever. And, I'm thinking that a lot of my washies are bad. They're bad. I'm like, oh my gosh. Okay, so let's get to the page. So I added some washi, black and white polka dots. It kind of reminds me of Minnie, even though I think hers is red and white polka dots. Anyway, so we have the old crew here, the original crew of Disney, Mickey Mouse, Minnie, Goofy, Pluto, and Donald Duck. Then we have my favorite of all times, all the princesses. I think I have every single one of these princesses movies, and I will never give them up. They're my all-time favorite, and my daughter loves them too. And then I have my other favorite is Lilo and Stitch. I just love them. And Moana, because, I'm from Hawaii, and when those came out, I was like, yes. And these are old chipboard alphabet stickers from Target, trying to use what I have. And so this is week 28 um, for hashtag Artisan Journal Prompt 2024, hosted by Pattie. Go check out the hashtag and see everybody's creations. I think everybody's going to have their own interpretation of it. This was a lot of fun. I printed out pictures because I didn't have my stickers, but I like this version a lot better. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.